welcome back to my channel. This is Sam and Baby, and today we're gonna be doing something really neat. And I haven't really seen much videos of these on YouTube, unless YouTube just did not want to show me them. But off of Amazon, I got a package I got two of gender revealing. Okay, so I'm editing this and a gender reveal pregnancy test. What? Okay, so it's actually correctly a pregnancy, or not a pregnancy, a gender prediction kit. So even after when I say gender reveal pregnancy test, I say something else after that. It's gender prediction test, but it's really just a kit, and it was just all for fun too. Gender prediction test. Yeah. So I got two. Pretty sure they just come with one test. So at least according to this, that if the result is blue, it's a boy. If the results are green, it's a girl. So I was fully aware that, obviously, these were only $15 each, so they're not gonna be, dead on right, because, there's a reason why I got two. Because one could come up with, boy, and the other one could come up with girl. I mean, unless I'm somehow having twins, which I'm more than positive I'm not. Okay, so we have this syringe, and we have the little test tube, and we have this guy. Okay, just the instructions and the colors. So there's that, the results comparing the syringe, and then the test tube. So I'm gonna start shaking this, see what this one gives us. That looks like both. That one literally looks like it's aqua. It's you can definitely, even on camera, you can tell that's not on here. That's both. I mean, unless it's supposed to be green, and I can assure you I am not having twins, so I'm gonna go with the fact that it's green, that it's a girl. So that one's saying it's a girl. Let's get the second one in. Take you out. Okay, plug you back up and shake. They both have the same color, approximately the same color. No, they have the same color. And I'm gonna go with green and say that they're both saying that I'm having a girl. Okay guys, so that definitely was, in my opinion, I was expecting it to come up as boy. again, it's not 100% accurate, that it's just for fun, and I definitely did it for fun. I am pretty shocked that both of the gender prediction tests both came up as girls, or came up with the same color. I really was expecting them to like come up with like 2 different colors. One saying boy, one saying girl. Like I didn't know that was gonna be that accurate, as in multiple. And granted, I only did 2, but then multiple of them would be the same. Which, what I'm thinking is that maybe it is a little bit accurate, and maybe I will be having a girl. Pretty sure it's between 10 and 12 weeks when I go back for an OB appointment, that's when I can do a blood test and find out from a DNA wise what the fetus gender is, or which I'm gonna still do regardless, is wait until 20 weeks to actually get an ultrasound confirmation.
Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened. My camera did end up dying at the end of me being in my bathroom trying to do my closing, but like, yeah, my camera ended up dying. I recorded it ending on my phone, and I got the files, and when I transferred them, they sounded perfect, but then I started editing, and then the audio with the video were not the same. I don't know what happened, but anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure you like it up. Comment down below what you think I'm going to be having. Make sure you subscribe to support me and my baby, and hit the notification bell for the next time I upload a video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.